Hi lovelies, did you know that right now your WhatsApp status could be making you real money online without even leaving your home? But sadly, most people don't know it. They waste their status posting unnecessary selfies, food photos, or showing off for friends. And here we are, at the end of the day, zero income. I really hate this when I hear about the zero income. Don't forget, you people, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a lady that said, no, I'm going to expose these secrets that have been being used by many people that have used and my friends to you, everybody, such that you can know how to use it. Some of the times that I take a time to scroll people's statuses in my phone book, I wonder, out of 100, you'll find like only 2 are using their status to make money. 10% is using it to send a message, and mostly they are funny messages. Then 70% uses it to put what they love, like Christian songs, messages, lovely ones. Then other percentages, they use it to put things that they feel are very beautiful as far as their function previous days is concerned, their outings. Let me be honest with you. Your status is not there for showing off. Your status, it is a free, powerful marketing tool. I have a friend at work. She's from Kenya. I work closely with her, and she literally breaks business deals daily just from her WhatsApp status. No magic, no big secrets. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Let's go, guys. But before that, where are our fans? Where are our royal engagers? Thank you very much. I love you so much. And for people who just subscribed, please take a step of sit and relax, because this is the platform that you'll find we don't gossip. We only come here to make sure that we can be productive with or without starting capital. Let's dive in and see what are these steps that we can follow to monetize our WhatsApp status. Understand the power of your status, you guys. That is step number 1. First, realize this, guys. Your WhatsApp status is free real estate. It is like having your own mini billboard that over 100, 200, even 500 people can see every day. I wonder when I see people, before I used to get annoyed, I used to be emotional. People see my status and they don't even say hi. But now I love it so much. So guys, this is how to do it. Every view you get is a potential customer, client, or business partner. Stop wasting that space. That is your mini billboard. After realizing that, what to post instead of random stuff, you should be selective. Instead of posting random photos or jokes, start posting things that make money. Can I give you some ideas? If you sell a product, post it daily with a shorter offer. If you do affiliate marketing, share links or quickly stories about the product. If you offer service like makeup, baking, graphic design, post your work and testimonies. Even if you don't have product yet, you can post valuable tips in any niche. Build trust and later sell something. You guys, I don't know what I can put in you to understand. I was like you before, but after knowing how it is really a hidden vein of my billboard, I no longer joke with it. The third step, build trust, you guys. And how do you build trust first? You have to sell smartly. Don't just bombard people with buy every minute. No one likes that, you guys. I've come to see that people love value. So instead of bombarding them with buy, share value first. How do you share your value? Give tips, advice, or real results. Like for example, me, sometimes I'll put, God has really gotten me from afar, from a tip of poverty, from a tip of lack. Then from there, I'll put a link. Then casually show what they are selling or what you're offering. Just, create curiosity. You call it curiosity. Yes. For example, post something like just helped a client to make $50 online today. Can you imagine? I helped somebody to make it. Now you'll be curious. Then when you finish like this, you put DM me if you want the secret. In front you can put DM me, or you can put a link for people to click and watch. If they watch your videos, like me who is in YouTube, I will earn money. And if you're selling a product, they will order for that product. Let people come to you, please. Let you not go to them. Then the first step, I want you to be consistent every single day. You know, most of us, we don't listen. You will hear that there's money using WhatsApp status. You say, how? Where? How does it? This is a lie. Something like that. But you need to be consistent. One status won't make you rich overnight. Never. Even 2, even 5, no way. You must post consistently every single day. Like the way you wake up and you want to go and see, what did she post? What did the other one post? Please post yours and post something that can turn into monetary terms. Even if they don't buy today, you guys, please, tomorrow they will, or they will refer you to somebody. Stay in people's mind, be visible. I have really testimony about this. 2 years back, no one knew me about maybe talking on apps, talking on grants, making money online. No one knew me. But now, people know me. Yes. So do it every day so that you should put yourself into people's minds. Then, the bonus tip, use storytelling. People love stories more than ads. Instead of just saying, I sell shoes. Say, for example, last week I helped a student get a stylish shoe for under 50K and she couldn't stop smiling. I still have more offers. DM me. People love this. Get to know how to attract people. Please, learn it from me now. That way you'll sell without even without looking like you're selling. No, it will be very simple. Now you guys, please stop wasting your WhatsApp status on useless things. Start using it the smart way to build trust, offer value, and make real money while sitting at home. If my friend can cross her deals on her status, you can too. Start today. Your money is just on your status, just there, seated, waiting for you. Now, previously, most people asked me a very heavy question about how. You can be having a product, or you might not be having a product, but you can make money. Let me give you this. If you're in a neighborhood, you can even sell products in a neighborhood like clothes, jewelry, perfume. When you put it on your status and someone orders, my friend is not holding any shop, but she's selling things worth millions. How does she do it? She uses the products that she sells. When she puts on her status, people make order. Yeah, she might not get a profit on the product because these are branded things, but she gets the money on top. She has her surcharge. Her surcharge, sometimes it ranges from $150 per consignment, depending on how the items are. If the items are many, she goes up to $380. So what about you now? And she goes ahead to go to the same place, buys it with the customer's money, not even her own money. So guys, let's make money with our status. Hopefully you'll thank me later. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.